Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Warlingham in Surrey and really excited to show you around this fantastic garden transformation with all working partners of mine. So this whole garden has been revamped by people we've recommended, plus the interior. So let me show you around everything here. The building itself, let's start with that, is a baker's garden room, 6 metres wide, 3.1 metres deep, coloured in Rouse 7015. And the reason for that is we wanted to colour match the building extension of the house of the client. That's absolutely stunning. That meant we've done the aluminium doors, but we've also upgraded to aluminium windows as well. In the side, we've got a large full drop window without the fan light. That works lovely, really clean lines, and we've got the climate to keep it cool. The glass itself, you can see, is that anti-sun grey smoked glass. You get that kind of privacy. It's also got integrated blinds as an addition to that as well. So that's a really fantastic building. We've got the pinned fascia on the top, and I absolutely love the slickness and the slimness of the finish of that. So really like that. Now inside, this is principally a gym. I'm going to open up both doors so you get to see the full width. Once I can find the button, there it is. And we open that up. And inside, the thing that stands out first is a fantastic Sunlight and Impulse sauna. That and this gym equipment was supplied by Sally and the team at M8. You've also got here the Techno Gym My Run and the Nordic RW 900 rowing machine sitting there. In addition to that, we've got the resistance trainer that the client purchased himself. Now, that running machine has got the recessed roof as I go up and kind of bend down there. We've got the wash lighting inside of that, and then slap bang in the middle of the back there is the Daikin stylish air conditioning or climate control unit supplied by our good friends at Subcool. The rest of the building, as usual, supplied by us with the V200, the internet, the lighting, everything fully completed into this position. So let's talk about the rest of this building. So where we were was a small summer house on a tiny little base. So Tom and the team of TJM came in and done the initial clearance landscaping and also carried out the concrete base. That then slightly evolved. We were just going to have a tiny path, and this is what's happened. So reaching out and introducing them to Guy Watts and the team at Architectural Plants, they have done a stunning job. So Tom Manvell then created this design with the client and with Architectural Plants, and this is just absolutely stunning. So it's the Gromo Antica Clay Paver there from London Stone. That is in the herringbone 90 degree. You've got the same clay paver there in the rug design with the stone around it, which is absolutely awesome. And then the Architectural Plants, the Nowaki tree taking the focal point. I mean, look at this. I love this. If you haven't seen Guy, he was on BBC Chelsea showing this on the BBC channel. I absolutely love it. And it just is a real centerpiece and a focal point. It's got clipped evergreen balls and grass for movement running along below that. And on the fence line, we've got some evergreens, jasmine to cover that, and some fragrant rhythmic planting that's running around there as well. We also work with the neighbour to soften the back of the building, so I think that just works really well. And say this was started off, the before of this is just a plain bit of glass with a tiny bit of shrubbery up around here, and a little summer house. So when all that was finished, the grass didn't quite look right. So then Tom has come around and actually laid a brand new turf to this whole area as well. So this whole garden has been fully transformed from just a plain bit of grass with a tiny little summer house to this stunning project that I'm super proud of. And all of the working partners showing why I recommend them. You know, they've all been really impressed. The clients have been really impressed by all of them. The workmanship and everything is stunning. So there you go. That's M8 supplying all of that gym equipment, including the Sunlight, and you've got London Stone Clay Pavers here with Tom TJM carrying out all of the landscaping, and of course Architectural Plants doing that perfect flowering and planting here. Hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you for watching.